Jimbo's Garage.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Jimbo's Garage. All right, so I got a new piece of equipment from Sentary Air Systems. Now, this is the model SS400. It is about 20 inches square, and it is mobile. It has casters on it. It's easy to roll around. It's got a 6-inch diameter trunk that's 6 feet long. Easy, flexible for over top of the welding table. And it also is variable speed, which is going to be really handy. Operates off of 110, and it's super quiet. All right, so I've got everything hooked up and plugged in. I'm running about 3/4 speed on the variable speed, so let's give it a try and see how it works. All right, they also offer this long, 12-foot long flexible tube, 6 inches diameter. They call it a Python. Now, this is going to work out probably better for me here. Since my table is 10 feet long, I'll be able to put the unit on the very end down there and to be able to stretch it anywhere on my table. It has a real strong magnet to it. I can put it in any position, anywhere the whole length of the table, wherever I'm welding. So let's just give it a try right here and see how it works. I can already tell this could be a great addition to the shop. If this is something you might be interested in, you can check them out at sentaryair.com, mention the promo code Jimbo, and receive 12 free filters and a 5% discount on your order. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week.
See you next time on Jimbo's Garage.